What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Right behind me is a lot of wheels that we partner up with that we're gonna carry for our local in-house and out-of-state clients. What are those brands? What are those wheels? What are the styles? Well, let's go ahead and unbox every single wheel and show you guys what we got going on. Let's get started. The first company that we're gonna start with is Esr Wheels. If you guys haven't heard about Esr Wheels, one of the most popular and growing company in the market when it comes to JDM, American Muscle, European wheels. They're super trendy, really awesome features such as color, style, and as well with the lineup that they have in regarding different faces that can potentially fit your build. Esr Wheels, a really good company. They really track their inventory really well for us. So if they're out of stock, they're for sure out of stock, but they for sure back us up whenever we need, wheels for our clients to make sure we're ready to go for them without being on back order or wait times. Ooh, this one's dope. Look at that, guys. You got a gunmetal face with a chrome lip and rivets all around to make sure you get that contrast with the carbon fiber center hubcap. All right, we got a 19-inch Esr wheel. This is their SR01, one of their popular ones when they first started as well, a long time ago. Let's check it out, let's check it out. I don't know about you guys, but every time I unbox a wheel, I get excited. It's like, ooh, throwing on some new shoes on the builds. Ooh, look at that one. You got the white gloss face, you got the rivets all in chrome with the hyper silver lip. Very aggressive. I love the shine on it. Definitely stands out and pops out. And if you really want to customize the face and be a little authentic and different, let us know. We do offer custom powder coating colors for those wheels. Yeah, okay, I like this one. This one's pretty cool. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. This is their SC1 style, one of my favorites too. They came out with this lineup about 1.5 years ago. They're doing really well as well. Super cool design, very trendy. Gives it like a two-piece look, even though it's a monoblock. Let's check it out, guys. Check this one out. You got the black satin black with the carbon center hubcap and the glossy lip. I love this. Let's go ahead and display it for you guys. All right, guys, so we got another brand, so it's the same brand, another lineup with them. This is their CR series, one of my favorite ones. It's a little bit better than their monoblocks, and if you're looking to get something aggressive, a little bit of a lighter weight, this is the series that you would want to get on your vehicle. Let's check this face out right now. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty sweet. Got the gloss on gloss on gloss, really just out there. You got the Esr embossed on there and the carbon fiber center hubcap, ready to go. Well, this one's dope. Another CS series for you guys. This was really nice. As you can see, if you guys look at the face on that one, this is more like a sporty look. I actually have a set of these wheels right here, which is really cool on my personal car. You got like a two face look. Even though it's a monoblock, it looks like a two-piece wheel, but super light, really aggressive. You can also play around with custom powder coating colors with us. You can change out the rivet colors with us. You can do the lip custom or the face as well. Another Esr wheel, but this is their Forge Tech line right here. Super cool. Let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys to show you what we're looking at. Man, if I can own all these wheels on my cars, but eventually you can only rock one set. But check out this. It's got a cool concave in there. Very nice aesthetic face right on the barrel of the wheel. You got the carbon fiber center hubcap. Super cool. One of my favorite wheels for sure. Esr Series Wheel. This is the last one before we show you guys the next brand, which is really cool. Let's check this out, what we're working with over here. If we open up the package, take out the clear. Whoa, I already see this looks super dope. Whoa, look at that, guys. It looks like a very deep dish face right on it with a nice upper negative concave. You got the chrome rivets, hyper silver lip. I love the look on that one. All right, guys, let's move over to the next brand. If you guys haven't heard about Barada Wheels is one of my go-to wheels when it comes to custom making two-piece or three-piece or even a monoblock, but there's not really into a lot of it when it comes to monoblocks. But if you want to do a two-piece custom to make sure fitment is exactly what you want to do, you got a wide body, you're on coilovers, airbags, springs, however it is, this is the company for you guys to make sure you get the wheels with us. They go all around when it comes to customization on renderings to make sure you guys confirm. Their wheels take about 8 to 12 weeks to finish before we actually sell them to you guys, or if you're local, to install them, mount, balance them, and do an alignment. Let's check out this piece right here. Whoa. Got that dark bronze with a nice flake to it, the black center hub with the chrome outline. This is actually really cool. Super light, guys. This thing is light. All right, guys, another Barada wheel right here. Let's go ahead and go into it right away. See what the face looks like. What are we working with? What are we gonna display on you guys' showroom here? Whoa, let's check it out. Uh-oh, I think this might be the same face. We'll see, we don't know. Same exact face in gloss black. This one's definitely out there. You can definitely see the curves and the angles of the design. I love the swishes. This kind of reminds me of our C8 taillight swish right here. So if you got our UMBRA or VELOX taillights, you gotta get this wheel because it'll match the taillight style. I love the 3D design that's going on in between over here, which is really, really cool. And the center of this definitely want to catch attention. Gives it an aggressive off-road look to it as well, which is really cool on your car. There you go, guys. 2 more wheels to show you. See what we got going on. All right, let's check out this face. This is the same exact one that we had in gloss black, but it's a hyper silver finish, which I really like because you can really see the true definition of this wheel. Ooh, let's check this one out, guys. I love the packaging that they do. It's so authentic to their brand. Makes the experience a lot better for the customers, which is what we want to give to you guys. Check out this one. This is actually really cool. We've installed these on a Camaro before. They're really awesome. You can also make it look very cool if you powder coat them in a really custom color to make sure you get the look that you want.